Let's memorize the skip counting of 40. First, let's write 1 to 10 in this table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, write the skip counting of 4 instead of 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. Now, we just add zeros to the skip countings of 4. So we have 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, 240, 280, 320, 360, and 400. Now, assuming that you've already memorized the skip countings of 40, let's try to divide a 6-digit number. That is 241,560 divided by 40. So let's try to divide 2 by 40. Oh, it's too small. How about 24? Still too small. How about 241? Which number is closest to 241 but not greater than 6? 240. So we write 6 at the top of 1. 6 multiplied by 40 is 240. Now we subtract 241 minus 240. 1 minus 0. Yeah, it's 1. Very good. 4, 1, 0, 0, 0. Bring down 5. 15 divided by 40. That's 0. Very good. Now 0 multiplied by 40. We get 0. 15 minus 0 is 15. Bring down 6. 156. Let's look at here. Oh, 160 is closer. But it's greater than 156, so we get 120. We write 3 at the top of 6. 3 times 40, we get 120. We subtract. 6 minus 0 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 minus 1, 0. 36. Let's bring down 0. We get 360. We divide it again by 40. Let's look here. 360. Oh, we have 360 here. 9. Write 9 above 0. 9 times 40. That's also 360. Oh, subtracting the same number. 0. So, there's no remainder. Our answer is 6,039. Now, try this one. Divide 389,240 by 40.